Well, do something now. Yeah, do something, darling.
Alright. Hey.
Now stand on Daddy's shoulders.
Hurry, never does this for more than a couple of seconds.
It's a movie, so it's alright. Oh, he sees the digital picture frame again. You want to go see that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's go. Yes, I got you.
I promise it'll be fun. It'll be totally worth it. See? Who's that? That's me! That's Uncle Wayne. You got any of his supplies? Oh. Let's go back to Daddy, don't we? Thank you! How was this one? Hey!
Look what goes in there, Miles.
What's in there?
When you're taking movies of him, he invariably turns right away from the camera.
Now what? What's gonna happen? Whoa, no! College! I have to do it all over again. Oh. I'm just not as fun as Dad.
Oh, Dad's not really that much fun.